Hello everyone, so here are some ways of optimizing your battery settings on your Xiaomi Redmi 13. So first of all, open up your settings. Now in your settings, you're to find your privacy tab. Let's do this. Here it is, and in your privacy tab, you're to turn off your usage and diagnostics. So let's find this. Here they are. And now simply tap on the switch to turn it off, because this feature sends data to your Google and drains away the battery. Now let's manage the location services. So go back to your settings, find your location tab. In your location tab, you are to turn off your location services. Press close, open up your more location services, and turn off your Wi-Fi scanning and your Bluetooth scanning. This will save a lot of your battery. Enable it only when necessary, as it continuously connects to GPS and uses your power. Now let's install some unnecessary apps. So go back to your settings, find your apps section. It's right here. And in your apps, you're simply to tap Manage Apps. And here look through the apps which you don't need. For example, if you don't use your Amazon shopping, simply press uninstall, confirm your choice, and it's gonna be uninstalled, just like this. Alright, the next thing what I would recommend you to do is to go back to your settings, open up your Google tab. Here it is. And now find all services. Scroll down to your devices tab, so it's connected device and sharing. Find your devices and make sure to turn off your option scan for nearby devices and include the debug results, because like if this option is enabled, your phone is scanning for the nearby devices and it's draining out your battery. Now let's go to our password and security tab. It's right here. Find your privacy tab. And here you are to find your enroll in user experience program. So turn this off as well, because it would drain away your memory, of course. Now go back and in additional settings let's find the additional settings first. Here they are. Additional settings, you are to turn off your gesture shortcuts. So let's find our gesture shortcuts and turn off unnecessary ones which you don't use. For example, this one. Let's turn on this one, and all other ones are turned off. It's alright. Now let's simplify system navigation. So open up your home screen. Here it is. In your home screen, you're to find your system navigation. Here it is. And in your system navigation, disable unused buttons to conserve your energy. So find your button shortcuts and here simply disable them. Just like this. The next good thing to do is to turn off your unnecessary vibrations. So open up your sound and vibration tab. Here scroll down to your vibrations and turn off unnecessary ones. Also choose off or light on vibrating tape. Now in your display tab, adjust your brightness. So here avoid using 100%. I use 100% because it looks good in the shot. However, I recommend you using it around 50% or maybe even lower than that. Of course, be careful with that because you don't want to damage your eyes, but keep it low. It will save a lot of your energy. Also, don't forget to turn off your unused options. So if you're not using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or device controls and stuff like this, so turn off these options because they're draining away your battery, especially if you're not using this. And last but not least, if you have a dynamic live wallpaper, I recommend you switching to a static one, because like this it will consume much less battery. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.